Hey friends, welcome back to Mini Kit Monday. I am playing along with my Cocoa Vanilla Sunkissed kit. I mean, papers and 98% of the embellishments are from that collection. I have just some Bella Boulevard beautiful epoxy hearts that are not. I've got whatever these pearly bits are, they're half pearls in pink that are not. And then my thickers are not, but everything else has been the Cocoa Vanilla goodies. Now, if I bring in mist, I do, and all that kind of stuff. Anywho, so let's see what we have today. I have these two photos. That is my son and his girlfriend, and they had rented bikes for sand biking, I guess, in Florida. So very cool that Cocoa Vanilla was kind enough to have a little bike embellishment in their die cuts. So I'll definitely get that on. I'm thinking the wood grain because I can't believe I haven't used it yet. And then I'm thinking I'm going to have some scraps. So I'm trying to hoard these last couple pieces I have left of this whole collection I bought. I'm trying to hoard it a little bit. Now, I am thinking that using lots and lots and lots of these flowers is my ticket today. I have tons left, and I think they need to be used. Now, with that in mind, I definitely have my bicycle. That's getting on there. And I also have the bicycle puffy. Look it, he'll get on there too somewhere. Maybe in like an embellishment cluster kind of thing up here or something. Maybe right there. That might be fun to have one come down. Now I know what I want to do. He's going in. He'll be there. Okay, so that's going to happen. Oh, this piece right here is called Just Chillin'. So I'm not thinking about bringing in many more pattern papers unless they are from my gorgeous scrap pile I have here. There's lots and lots of goodness to still be used, so I will target these and no more full-size ones. And yeah, and I'm thinking like Ride Baby Ride or something like that that's, you know, not clever at all with my thickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this, trim my photos, map my photos bunches of times, and I think I'm going to leave them in the block. For some reason, they've decided they want to be left in the block. Like the color saturation. My son's shirt is actually a really dark charcoal, but it's showing as blue, so I'm going to go with it. Awesome. So I'm going to start building up lots of mats on this, whatever I can use with my scraps, because why not? And then I want to start tucking and tucking and tucking flowers until I have a gorgeous cluster that they can ride on. I think that is my plan. So I'm going to start doing all that. I'll come back once I have those things done. So this cluster up here started, which what I'm going to do with this one is I'm actually going to do a little tearsy kind of thing up here, roll it up a bit, and have a piece of paper under there. Look, there's clouds too up top. It's going to be fun. So I'm going to start and I'll be back in a jiffy. Alrighty, so the only thing I have attached down are these pieces here, these little blue cloudy pieces, where the clouds are kind of on a funny angle, but we're just going with it. We like the color. And my photo, which I matted a bunch of times. All of these die cuts are just placed right now. So I'm going to work on popping some up on foam tape. I'm going to have my little bicycle in there. I need to get the puffy bicycle up in that cluster because we're going to be repeating that fun little element. I ended up with my title being Biker Gang, so I definitely want to get that on, and I think I'll have gang go on to the photo, you know, where we have all this nice blue space. And then, seriously, we are going to be at the point where I'm going to go in with these next, these little clear guys. And the reason I go in with these first is actually because the clear stickers are the hardest for me to use. So if I look at them first, like what I like, awesome. Then I'll go in with these after that. We have these tiny words and these great little like die cut bits. So I'll go in with that. And then we'll finish off with all of our cute puffy bits. So I'm going to come back when it's time to do the decorative touches at the very end. Give me a minute, friends. All right, my friends, let me just get my little photo saver off. Now my Jen Hatfield gold glitter mist is still drying, but we can look at the clusters and see them just a little bit closer. And I don't know why, but I had the best time making this big old happy nest of flowers. So cute. And yes, I know that's such a matchy thing to have the bike on, but it just worked. there's my other little bike. And I have both bikes going in the direction where they're going onto the page so they just don't go flying off the page and then we have tragedy. We don't want that. A couple little sentiments in these two different areas, and that is that for this biker gang layout. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I have links down below for all the other Mini Kit Monday creators. All right, that's it for now, friends. Bye-bye.